In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your case status and create a support ticket in Trailhead with Salesforce. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just need some help navigating the Salesforce system, this guide will provide you with the step-by-step process to effectively reach out to support and track your case status. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into Trailhead. Navigate to the website, which is trailhead.salesforce.com/today. Once you're on the homepage, enter your login credentials to access your account. It's always a good idea to make sure your login information is up to date to avoid any hiccups right at the start. Now that you're logged in, the next thing you need to do is locate and click on the support section. This is where you'll find all the resources available for assistance and guidance while using Salesforce. Once you've clicked on support, hover your mouse over the option labeled Help and Documentation. This section is a treasure trove of information and can provide valuable answers to many questions right there. The next step is clicking on the Ask Agentforce option. You'll find this within Salesforce Help. Agentforce is a wonderful tool that connects you with support agents who can answer more detailed or specific questions you might have. In the Agentforce Help chat box, you'll want to type your message. Be clear and concise about what you need help with. The better you articulate your problem or question, the quicker and more accurately support can assist you. After you've sent your message, there's a little bit of waiting involved. Give the support team some time to respond. They'll offer you the best possible help and advice based on the information you provided. Patience here really pays off, as their assistance will be invaluable for resolving your issues. Congratulations! Once you've sent your message, you've officially created a support ticket in Salesforce. But what if you want to check the status of your case? Let's walk through that process now. To check the status of your case, go to the My Cases section under your profile in your Salesforce account. This is an important hub where you can track the progress of your case, ensuring you're always in the loop. Finally, click on the case number to view detailed updates, notes, or resolutions in progress. This kind of transparency is one of the top benefits of utilizing Salesforce support, as it allows you to stay informed about every step of the way. And there you have it. You now know how to create a support ticket and keep track of your case status. By following these steps, you can ensure any challenges you come across are resolved efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.